And at GrowTech, we're revolutionizing agriculture with cutting-edge technology. From drones and satellites to artificial intelligence, we harness smart solutions to make farming more sustainable, efficient, and precise. GrowTech's strength lies in its advanced algorithms, developed using GeoAI, remote sensing, and geographic information systems. Our technology monitors every aspect of the farm, from crop health to water stress, nutrient levels, and pest risks, delivering real-time actionable insights to farmers. With high-resolution satellite and drone imagery, we provide a complete view of your farm. Our AI-powered analysis helps predict crop needs, optimize water and fertilizer use, and detect pests like the red palm weevil before they spread. GrowTech's smart solutions lead to real results. A 90% reduction in crop losses, higher yields, and up to 40% savings in water and fertilizer use. Our technology helps farmers manage smarter, reduce costs, and improve sustainability. GrowTech, leading the future of smart farming. Harness the power of AI, GIS, and satellite technology to transform your farm.